Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject